Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Love Vigilantes on guitar. We'll start by mastering the fundamental open chords, G major, C major, D major, and E minor. These 4 chords form the backbone of the entire song, so getting them down is crucial. Pay close attention to your finger placement to ensure each note rings out clearly. Practice transitioning smoothly between them to build muscle memory and prepare for the song's rhythm. Next, let's tackle the unique strumming pattern that gives Love Vigilantes its driving feel. It's primarily a down-up motion, but with specific accents that really make the song groove. Try to keep your strumming hand relaxed and consistent. We'll break down the rhythm section by section, ensuring you can maintain a steady tempo. Listening to the original track will help you internalize the feel and timing. Now that you have the chords and strumming down, let's put it all together by understanding the song's structure. Love Vigilantes has clear verse, chorus, and bridge sections, each with its own feel. We'll also explore dynamics, learning when to play softer and when to really dig in with your strumming. Playing along with the original track is an excellent way to refine your timing and feel for the song. To take your playing to the next level, consider experimenting with a capo at the 2nd fret. It gives the song a slightly brighter, more jangly sound. Also, try different picking patterns for the intro to find what feels best for you. Consistent practice, even just 15 minutes a day, will significantly improve your playing. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Keep practicing, and you'll be playing Love Vigilantes like a pro in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.